The GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G graphics card is a highly anticipated release from NVIDIA, promising to bring high-performance gaming to the masses at an affordable price point. With features such as 3x WINDFORCE fans, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and a sleek design, this card has sparked the interest of many gamers and tech enthusiasts. In this unbiased review, we will delve into the various aspects of this graphics card to see if it truly lives up to its hype. As we start this video, we ask you to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow this channel. Let us begin with the design of the GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G. The card boasts a clean and modern design with a black and silver color scheme that will look appealing in any build. The 3x WINDFORCE fans not only keep the card cool, but also add an aesthetic touch with RGB lighting. The fans are strategically placed to optimize airflow and maintain low noise levels, making it an ideal choice for those who value both performance and aesthetics. Moving on to the performance, the GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G does not disappoint. With 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and 128-bit memory interface, the card boasts impressive performance that can handle even the most demanding games at high settings. It also supports NVIDIA's DLSS technology, which uses AI to boost frame rates and improve image quality, making it a significant advantage for gamers. The card also features real-time ray tracing, which adds to the visual experience and makes games more immersive. One of the standout features of this graphics card is its overclocking capabilities. The quote-unquote OC in its name stands for overclock, indicating that this card is built for gamers who want to push their system to the limit. With the help of the provided software, users can easily adjust the clock speeds and voltage for maximum performance. This feature sets the RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G apart from its competitors and makes it a top choice for overclocking enthusiasts. In terms of connectivity, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G offers a wide range of options. It comes with one HDMI port, 3 DisplayPort outputs, and one VirtualLink USB Type-C port, which is perfect for VR use. You can also connect multiple monitors at once, making this card a suitable choice for content creators and professionals who require a multi-display setup. On the downside, the GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G does not come with a backplate, which could have added an extra layer of protection and enhanced the aesthetics of the card. However, this is a minor issue and can be easily overlooked considering the overall performance and features of this graphics card. Another drawback is the power consumption of this card, which can be quite high at times. This might not be an issue for those who have high-end power supplies, but it's worth mentioning for those with lower wattage PSUs. Additionally, the size of the card is relatively large, so users with smaller cases might find it challenging to fit in. We conclude this video, we ask you to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow this channel further. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G is an impressive graphics card that offers an excellent balance between performance, aesthetics, and value for money. With its overclocking capabilities, real-time ray tracing, and DLSS support, this card is a solid choice for gamers and content creators alike. The only significant downsides are the lack of a backplate and its high power consumption, but these can be easily overlooked considering its overall performance. If you're in the market for a mid-range graphics card that can handle any game or task with ease, the GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC-8G is definitely worth considering.